Hello, we are Group 28 and this is our BP project demonstration for Zeroproxy, the smart attendance system. Our project began by observing the problems with the current fingerprint attendance system. It was slow, taking up to 40 minutes of lecture time. It was unreliable, often missing entire rows in large hall. And it was vulnerable to proxy attendance using dummy fingerprints. Our objective was to build a new system that was fast, reliable, and secure. Our solution is Zeroproxy. It has three key features. First, a portable Raspberry Pi creates its own Wi-Fi hotspot so it doesn't need campus Wi-Fi. Second, the face recognition processing is decentralized. Running on each student's phone, this means the system is very scalable. Third, we designed an interactive Linux game, a fruit catcher, that uses hand movement to stop proxies from using photos or videos. We developed the project in three main versions. Version 1 was the basic app, which was still vulnerable. Version 2 added the Liveness game to stop simple proxies. And version 3 was a complete security overhaul to make the system robust against network and app level attacks. Our version 3 security uses a 5-layer defense, including SSL Pinning, stop man-in-the-middle attacks, JSON Web Tokens for secure authentication, and a custom proof of integrity handshake to ensure the user is in the right location. This was the full team effort. Me, Prince Patel, team lead, leading the project planning, system architecture and UI design for the attendance system. Raj Patel, backend development and API creation. Sejal Patel, Raspberry Pi configuration and hotspot setup. Rashi Patel, Raspberry Pi code implementation and deployment. Rajkumar Patel, hardware pinning and backend support. As a result, our project outcomes were successful. The system is fast, taking under 1 minute, it's reliable everywhere, and it's secure against proxies. We successfully solved all three problems we identified. Now, let's show you a live demonstration of a working model. Okay, here is the live demonstration of Zeroproxy. First, we will plug in the Raspberry Pi and wait for it to boot up. When this green LED becomes stable, the Raspberry Pi is booted up. Now, Raspberry Pi has successfully booted up and the node server has been started. Now, staff must connect to Zeroproxy API. Now staff will open the staff app. He will enter the course name. Now the attendance session has been successfully started. Now Rajkumar Patel, acting as student, connect to Zeroproxy hotspot. He logs into the student app. And you can see the Liveness game has started. He is now playing the game, catching the fruits by moving his head left and right. A simple photo or a pre-recorded video cannot pass this test. And success! His attendance is marked. If we look back at the staff app, we can see the attendance is marked present. The entire process is complete and secure. This demonstration shows how Zeroproxy solves the problem of speed, reliability, and proxy attendance. Thank you for watching.